Hello friends, today we'll be taking a look at the Medca 5-piece slice kit. We got this product for test and try. So as you can see over here, it contains a long tooth comb, short tooth comb, a 5x magnifier, a debris brush, and a carry pouch. So over here you can see that the product is very well packed. So here's the carry pouch. And here are all the contents inside. So over here, this is the debris brush. This is the long tooth comb over here. As you can see, these are made of metal. Here's the short tooth comb. The bristles over here are also made of metal. And here's the 5x magnifying glass. So as you can see you can see everything magnified when looking at the box.
So I will share my personal experience while using this product and just to show like how these things will work. So here the fluid experience is there. There is no issue while using and it's not pinching or doing anything. All these brushes are really well and fine and very nice kit.